Let's talk about the Series A.
The beauty of open source and open network is that you don't have to trust us. Look at our code. Have it reviewed yourself. Have it reviewed by a third party. You can see the quality, and we'll continue to build on that ethos of the way that we're building this, because we want people to build applications over our platform. And I think that it's correct that a single point of failure within any system is not a good idea, particularly when it comes to protecting money. And that's what fundamentally a hardware wallet is. It's a single point of failure. Obviously there are mechanisms and you can use them in order to back it up and have multiple backups, but there are lots of different points of failure. It's still a single point of failure within the security of those assets. And our approach to this is, well, how do we distribute that? How do we create this kind of social structure that would allow an individual to be able to have a group of people to have the ability to be able to provide the security over the assets to ensure that, if you lose your phone, you can still recover it. If you forget your passcode, you can still get access to the, there's so many sad stories of people out there who have lost millions, and in some cases hundreds of millions, because they forgot about it, they dumped it in the dump, they threw it away, they washed it in their jeans, whatever the case may be. And software provides us a fundamentally better and easier, more user-friendly approach to solving this problem.